Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up offline mode on your Chromebook. So if you want to edit your Google Documents offline, so if you have a laptop, you just want to go and edit it, or maybe you don't have access to an internet connection, and then it just syncs back up once you reconnect to the internet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start off by opening up our web browser. And then you want to go to Google Docs, so just search for that. In the Google, doesn't really matter if you have it bookmarked, feel free to go to that. And then select go to Google Docs. We're going to go select the three horizontal lines on the far left side of the Google Doc page here. Go ahead and just left click on that. And then select settings. Where it says offline, create, open, and edit your recent Google Doc files on this device while offline. Go ahead and toggle this to the on position. So you will need a Google Doc offline extension to your Chrome browser. Go ahead and select the install button. If you don't already have it, you can see there's plenty of users here. It's made by Google, offered by google.com. So you know it's legit. Go ahead and select the add to Chrome. Select add extension. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. Once you have that saved up there, if we go back to the other tab we were on, and then we toggle this to the on position, you see it says setting up offline. It might just take a moment here, shouldn't take us very long. So just give it a second, like I said. And then you want to go ahead and select OK. And just setting it up, it might take a couple minutes here, but that's pretty much it at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.